So you understood the body notion of Drishti Srishtivada. Atma notion is also very clear. Yeah, he doesn't have the Ajatvada clarity. He only has glimpses in between the gaps. Yeah, and he has one special thing he does. He links even witness recognitions together. He links all the I thoughts together and he creates a concept of Atma. That is why I always insist that you should not have an intellectual understanding of being the witness. You should see that you are the witness. When you have an intellectual understanding of the witness, you link I thought arisings. This recognition. See, I'm the witness of the body. He recognizes it as an arising. He creates an intellectual story. Oh, see, I was the witness for some time. Again, I became the body-mind person. He forgets the entire thing about body-mind person and getting involved here. He creates a story about the witness arisings. And that is the intellectual understanding because it's a story. Do you see what I'm saying? Again, come back to the top of the mountain if you have gone back down. Take the stand of nobodiness, no thingness. Then only you will be able to see how you were stuck at the intellectual level. Yeah. So remember, at the ignorant level, the memory connected the body arisings together and created a continuous straight line of the body. It's a lie. It's an intellectual idea of a body notion. At the second level of Drishti Srishtivada, you create a link between all the I thoughts or all the witness arisings and you create an intellectual straight line of the witness. It is still not your direct seeing. It is still not your direct seeing of alive emptiness. It is not your direct seeing of nobodiness. You still are stuck in the concept of Atma. Most of you come from an intellectual kind of background, from the material world where the waker was very intellectual. And that is why this becomes a very big obstacle because now you're attempting that the intellectual waker mind should understand the witness. And that's where you join all the witness arisings and create a nice witness story. This is what I mean by intellectual seeing. It's not the direct seeing of the truth. You've created an idea of the witness, and that idea of witness is trying to see the truth. The idea cannot see. The one who is knowing this idea, this chain between the I thoughts created, yeah, this memory of all the witness arisings, the one that is knowing that, you can only be that. This is one of the biggest obstacles for somebody who has tasted nobodiness but still has that little feeling that there is some joy out there in the parent, in the spouse, in the progeny, in the friend, in the colleague, in money or in name, fame, whatever, something. This is that little place where you slip. So eventually when you slip, you also combine that body and Atma notion. There is Tadatma, even at this Drishti Srishtivada level, and you consider yourself to be the projected Jiva. You are semi-ignorant, but you're still ignorant, no? So, for the one who believes consciousness precedes creation, he is also at half-baked knowledge, at the half point. He's stuck at the half point.